30 students, 14 different nationalities. They've never met each other in their lives. We've got to integrate. They've got to meet each other. They've got to get on with each other. They've got to learn to work as a team. So the whole week is dedicated purely around this idea of getting to know each other in a less formal fashion, in a less formal manner, so that they can actually create links and contacts as humans rather just as students in a school. Today we're going to visit the Eiffel Tower.
Hello everyone, I'm Hrough. I'm very glad to be here in Paris in Eiffel Tower, and I'm so glad to study in the intuit.lab.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Anastasia. I'm from Russia.
My name is Jamil. I'm coming from Tunisia.
Hello guys, my name is Lin Zitang. I'm from China.
Hello, I'm Aiden and I'm from the Philippines. And I'm really glad to be in the M1 International Master Class. Such a dynamic school. They focus entirely on design.
I'm Claire, I'm from Canada.
My name is Devinder. I'm from India.
My name is Varvara. I'm from Russia.
Hi, my name's Jenny and I'm from Australia. What I like about the school is that it's very specific to visual communication, and the fact that we are in Paris is the most cultural and creative city in the world, so I'm very grateful to be here.
I'm Miriam from Tunisia.
My name is Justine. I'm from Canada.
My name is Jimin. I'm in intuit.lab in Master 1 International class.
India. I'm from India. I'm really loving Paris.
So hi, I'm Ginger and I'm glad to join our class.
Hi, my name is Chantal Shalita. I am Mexican American.
My name is Bao Jiayu. I'm from China.
Bonjour, I'm Abel. I'm from India, Kerala.
Hi, I'm from Huimi. I'm from China.
My name is Anaïs. I'm from Plaisir, France.